Welcome to Crypto Hustle Exchange. This is another quick update on this arbitrage. So if this is your first time coming across my channel, do well to like, comment, and don't forget to share to your friends so that they can follow us to be cashing out. Okay, here is cashing out channel. You'll be cashing out every day if you have the capital. And it's not a financial advice. It's for you to choose and it's for you not to choose. Okay, let's dive into the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and drop a nice comment, please. Share to your loved ones so that they can follow us to be cashing out. Our group link, our WhatsApp group link, it will be under the comment section. Our Telegram channel link will be under the comment section. Let's jump right now. For today, arbitrage is Celo. We type here. Let's tap this search bar. We tap on it. We tap on this search bar again. We type Celo. Celo. It's under BTC and USDT. First of all, what you to do is use USDT to buy BTC. Let's go. Type BTC. This is BTC USDT. Look at it here. BTC USDT. You tap on it. For this tutorial video, I'm buying BTC worth of $200. You now type $1,000. $1,000. You can start up with $100, any amount. But for this tutorial video, I will start up with $1,000. This is $1,000. This is the amount of BTC we'll be having. This amount. This is the $1,000, and this is the amount. And this is buy. We are buying. Okay. So, assuming we have bought the $1,000 worth of BTC, we go to this search bar again, top here. This search bar. We type Celo. We tap on Celo BTC. Okay, we tap on Celo BTC. You will leave it on buy. This buy. Put the amount of BTC. The amount of BTC you have bought, and the total of coin you will get on Celo will be here. So let's put the amount we bought. This is it, and we are having 4,395 Celo. So let's what we have to do now is when we buy it, we tap on buy. We tap on buy. We buy this amount. We now go back to this search button again. And type Celo. What we are going to do now is that Celo will be bought. We are now going to sell it to USDT. Let's tap on Celo USDT. Look at it. This one. Celo USDT. Look at it. Celo USDT. So we tap on it. This is a quick update. That amount of Celo. See what you do now. You go to sell. This place. You tap here. Sell. Let us do it. Sell. You put the total amount of Celo and the amount of USDT you'll be getting between here. This is the amount of Celo. Sorry. Oh shit. The amount of Celo we bought is 4,395, right? This is the amount. This is the amount of USDT we'll be getting. Look at it. Quick updates. Look at it. $1,203. Okay, so I don't know the time you are watching this video. If you can take this opportunity, you can take it serious. Take it serious right now before the price will change. I don't know the time you are watching this video, but the price might change. So do well to like, comment, and be following this our channel. Okay, so that whenever I drop a video, important video like this, you'll be the first to watch it and take your profits. Thank you.